Hello guys, welcome back to Gloria Home of Skill. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make pap. So this is not your regular pap, it is made with extra ingredients like ginger and cloves. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching my videos. You are my real G's. And if today is the first time I've come across this video, thank you for tuning in, and please encourage me by subscribing to this channel and press the bell notification to stay updated when next I upload a new video. So here is the corn. I've already sorted and washed it, so right now I'll be soaking it. So this is how it's going to look like when you soak it. This is 48 hours, but I've been changing the water day by day. So I'm going to strain out the water, wash it, and proceed to the next stage. So I'll be transferring it into this bucket, so for me to take it to a commercial blender to process it for me. So this pap is not for babies or toddlers, it is only produced for adults. So guys, here is the clove. So I bought this for 400 naira. So one of these is 100 naira each. So this is an antibacterial properties that boosts immunity, controls your blood sugar, and prevents cancer, and it also has other benefits. I'll be taking it off the nylon. So after that, I'm going to wash it with this water and put it inside the corn bucket. So the next ingredient is ginger. We all know ginger, so I'm not going to take off everything. I'm just going to go ahead and remove all the dirty parts, after that I'll wash it and cut it into small pieces, then I'll transfer it into the bucket. So everybody cook with ginger. It reduces inflammation, it helps in emptying your stomach so quickly after eating, so it means that it speeds up your digestion process. See a lot of people using it as a weight loss aid, so it also helps in losing weight. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. God bless you guys. And if today is your first time of coming across this video, thank you for watching, and please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell notification to stay updated when next I upload a new video. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash it and cut it into small pieces, and I'll transfer it into the bucket. So in case you don't know the quantity that I use, this is 1 full custard pint of corn, and the ginger is not up to 100 naira. So I already told you guys the quantity of clove, how much I bought it. So I covered it to blend it in a commercial blender. So we are back. I'm just going to go ahead and open it for you guys to see. So guys, we are moving into the next stage, which is the sieving stage. So here is the bucket that I'm going to use for this process. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the chiffon cloth that is needed for this sieving. So this is how it looks like. If you're looking for where to get it, you can get it where they'll sell clothes in the market or where they'll sell pap. Just ask them about chiffon clothes and they will direct you where to get it. So this is me wearing it on top of the bucket and I'm going to tie it. So this is how I'm going to tie it because the bucket is too big for this chiffon. I'm supposed to tie it by the side, but because of the material that is not much, so that's why I'm tying it here. So the reason for you to tie it by the side is for you to adjust it whenever it is going down when you are sieving. So but I prefer to tie it by the side, but because of the condition of the material, I had to tie it like this. So keep watching. I am done tying it, so let's get started. Some people will be like, won't these two antioxidants go off after sieving? Then my answer is no, because the carbohydrate that is there, part of it is not going to be there and part of it is going to be there. So it means that these two antioxidants, part of it will go off and while part of it will still remain in the pap. So that is my reply. So I am done sieving this. I'm going to repeat the process till I finish sieving all the whole pap. So this is how your chaff is going to look like. If it's not like this, please continue sieving. So I am done. So I have removed the chiffon cloth. So this is how it looks like. So I gave it some time. So right now I'm going to strain out the water. That is the one that is on top. So this is the material that I'll be using. This is called muslin bag. So I just reduced the water that is on top of those pap. I reduced it, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it, then pour it into this bucket and proceed to the next stage. So when you are done, just make sure you tie it properly. You can use rope to tie it in case you didn't tie it well. Use rope to make sure you tie it properly for you not to pour away. So this is where I'll be placing it. So after placing it here, I'm going to allow it for all the water to reduce before I can adjust the bag, and I'm going to use a heavy object to place on it for all the water to go off. Here is our pap. I made this pap in the night, so I left it overnight. So this is our pap after adjusting the bag, and I placed a heavy object on top of it for all the water to go off. So this is the pap. This is how it looks like. You guys can't see it here. Let me get another thing so it will be very clear. So because I left it overnight and with a heavy object that I placed on top of it, I was able to achieve this strong pap. It is well dried, that's why it's looking like this. So the outer part of the pap is darker than the inside. This is as a result of the clove. So I'm going to go ahead and put it inside a Ziploc bag, and I will store in the freezer. So guys, what do you think about this pap? Please put it down in the comment section, and please like and share this video if you find it interesting. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell notification to stay updated when next I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.